Welcome to our TCM tongue photo guide. In this video, you'll learn how to capture a clear, natural image of your tongue for traditional Chinese medicine assessment. We'll walk you through each step so your photo reflects your true condition, without distortion, shadows, or color shifts. Think of it as a small moment of self-observation, a way to understand your body's signals with clarity and ease.
In TCM, the tongue is seen as a little reflection of the entire body. Its color, its shape, the coating, even the veins underneath, they can all give clues about what's going on inside you. But to read this map accurately, especially in the age of telehealth, getting a high-quality picture is absolutely crucial. To get a picture that's actually useful, you gotta think like a photographer. First off, lighting is everything. Soft, natural daylight is your best friend. Have someone else take the picture for you with the rear camera. It's way better. And hold it slightly above your tongue. Then, there are two key poses. For the top surface, open wide and just let your tongue extend naturally with the tip pointing down a bit. For the underside, tilt your tongue up so the tip lightly touches the roof of your mouth. The goal is a relaxed, clear shot of the whole thing.
And just as important is what not to do. Absolutely no beauty filters. They hide all the important details. Don't take the picture right after waking up or within about 30 minutes of a meal. Definitely not after you've had coffee or anything else that could stain your tongue. And hey, be gentle. Don't strain your tongue or hold the pose for too long because that can actually change how it looks.
And here is a fantastic pro tip if you can't get that natural daylight. If it's nighttime, you can use a light or a flash. But, and this is the key part, hold a plain white piece of paper right next to your face. This gives the camera a true white reference point, which helps enormously with getting the colors in the photo to be accurate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. See you in the next video.